Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook beef ginaling. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, tomato sauce, carrots and potatoes, and then the ground beef, onions, garlic, bell pepper, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper. Cook the meat first. Okay guys, so we're gonna cook the meat first. Cook it first. So daghan pa kayo siguro yung mantika mo guwa guys. So ato lang niya kuhaon. Okay, so it's cooked. So ako nagikuha ko bang mantika guys. Dahan kayo mantika ng gawas. So let's saute the garlic. Red bell pepper. Carrots and potatoes. And also the peas guys. Then we're gonna add the tomatoes. I mean tomato sauce. And then we're gonna simmer for how many minutes? And we'll be right back. This our beef ginaling is done. Look at that one. So now it's tasting time. It's yummy. Okay guys, that's our beef giniling. Thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.